Guys, Pepe is absolutely looking super explosive right now in terms of price action, and we are going to talk about all of this. So a huge green candle has lit up the Pepe chart right here, and we're going to be talking about why the crypto prices could be getting super exciting in the rest of 2025. We'll break down the big Pepe news, and I also want to talk to you guys about some big macro news as well. We'll talk about Michael Saylor. We're going to talk about Donald Trump, and I also want to talk to you guys about this graph, because this is interesting. This is actually going down, but I want to explain to you why this is actually good for Pepe and good for Bitcoin. So stick around to the end of the video to get this secret alpha right here. If you guys enjoy it, just like the video, and guys, let's get straight into it. So you can see right here, we have been looking explosive. Yesterday, we put out the video saying, could Pepe surge soon? And boy, oh boy, did we get a surge. We got an electric surge coming in for this crypto. And it looks like a massive, whale buy-in right here for the long term potentially. So Pepe surging from about the 509 level, going all the way up. It killed a 0 to 4 zeros and a 1, encountering a short-term, potential little take profit zone right here. But it is looking nice. So it is looking nice. And this is the thing about Pepe is, this thing can explode rapidly. It can go up rapidly. We know in the past this crypto has been, a top, I think it nearly got into the top 20. I think it did get into the top 20 in the past. And the good thing is, it's only sitting at number 36. So there is a huge amount of potential for this to absolutely explode upwards. And if you have a look at the 7-day movements, guys, we're up 13.5%. And if we have a look right here, we could be gearing up for a very big 2025 for Pepe. So we've bounced very strongly off this 5 zeros and an 8 level. And we're looking nice right here. Pepe has added 494 new holders. And this is a common theme we're seeing with Pepe. So Pepe tends to stack, hundreds upon hundreds of holders in the short term every day. And this accumulates to a big number. And this can accumulate into a massive number. It already is a massive number. And I have to say right now, the crypto market is starting to cook. It's starting to look very warm. And we are just waiting for these big catalysts that we'll talk about soon that could actually send us potentially to new price zones for Pepe. So that's coming up soon. But before we talk about that, if you guys want to get in on some of this short-term trading action like this here, make some money like I've been doing recently in the crypto market, make sure to go check out our channel partners. We've got 2 of them, WEEX and also ByteFi. So both of them have really nice deposit bonuses and different bonuses you can get with each crypto exchange. And you can try out each one and see which one you like the best as well. So every crypto exchange is going to be different, but we're partnering with them. They are referral bonus links. They support the channel, but check them out. Link will be in the description on this video with some exclusive bonuses just for my community right here, which is looking super nice. And guys, having said that, so we've recaptured the 401. We're holding on to that for Pepe, which is looking good. And I have to say, look, we're in a patch of momentum coming up soon where we could see some pretty explosive stuff. One thing I do think people should be having on the radar is President Trump is really pushing for lower interest rates. He wants to see 1 to 2% interest rates. I think they're between 3 to 4 or something like that right now, somewhere around there. And that would definitely increase the prices of crypto, I would think, if we go down to that level. And I'll explain to you why with this graph, which is looking super interesting as well, a little bit later on. But that is looking interesting. So Trump is continuing to push for lower interest rates right here. And again, if they go for lower interest rates, guys, there's going to be a lot more money printing. And this is kind of, look, it's good and bad. It's good for assets, like good assets, like crypto, gold, any type of, good quality asset, it's going to be good. But again, US dollar, watch out, it's probably going to go down in value. We'll speak about that soon. And have a look at this, guys. Michael Saylor hints at buying more and more Bitcoin. So this is exactly what he likes to do. This is what we want to see from Saylor. And here's the original treasury company that has just been accumulating a crazy amount of Bitcoin. So he now owns, what is this, 592,345 Bitcoin with $64 billion. Absolutely insane. And but insane bullish right there. He's just been continuously buying up these prices, which is looking absolutely phenomenal right here. And this is another catalyst. If he continues to buy up 108 grand, 110 grand, he pushes these prices higher, guys. That's potentially going to set us up for a very nice altcoin run coming up soon as well. So at the moment, guys, the Pepe price, we're sitting at number 36. We have been a top gainer in the last 24 hours, and there's only been a few cryptos that have been above Pepe. Some pretty exciting ones right there. And but Pepe is looking super strong. Number 36, and our market cap at the moment, we are trading at about 4.2 billion. Trading volumes about 722 million. So fundamentals are looking super solid for us today. And guys, let's talk about this graph, because this graph is looking very, very interesting. So if you don't know what this is, pay attention to this, because this thing looks like it's going to tank, and very, very interesting indeed. So I've got a very long-term window. You can see it right here. So this is stretching out for many years, guys. This is a multiple year window we've got up right here. So all the way back from 2017, 2021. And one thing we do know that is true about this, if you don't know what this is, guys, this is the US dollar index, okay? So this is the demand for US dollars. And when it goes down, it tells us that the demand for US dollars is actually decreasing. So Ash Crypto sums it up very nicely. Let's read out this, because this might impact your bags. DXY dump always brings a major Bitcoin rally. It happened in 2017, 2021, and will happen again. $160,000 to $180,000 Bitcoin in 2025 is coming. That's coming out of Ash Crypto, and it does actually correlate pretty well with some of the previous bull runs. So you guys know, if you were back in the market, you know, around here, this was the original, or not the original. This was a very nice little bull run we had back in 2017, 2018. So shout out to all the OGs who were in that with me. I was in there. Guys, we're trying to scoop up some gems, and then it all crashed again. But I have to say, the prelude, you know, November, December 2017, that was very, very exciting times. And you can see the US dollar index going down right there. And that was a super exciting time for crypto to be in the market. And if you have a look right here as well, guys, look at this. This corresponds perfectly to, you know, when this crypto market was getting super exciting back in early 2021. So who would like to rewind the time machine and go back to early 2021 and redo all the BSC gems again? So who remembers all the BSC gems coming up in 2020, 2021? It was just absolutely insane. And but that right there, that's a really nice window as well. So again, you can see the downtrend for DXY. And have a look at this one as well. So this is opening up to be a really big one, all right? So that's huge. And this might correspond to a huge Bitcoin and crypto bull run. So we're gonna have to wait and see. And remember, in the US, there is still a lot of risk happening. People think, you know, the US is out of the woods. It's not out of the woods at all, because we do know there's actually still a lot of fighting happening between Elon Musk and also Trump, and also this guy called Thomas Massie. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if you're following US politics. What do you think of Thomas Massie? Are you a fan of him? I think he's got some pretty good principles. But you know, we do know Trump is actually targeting Thomas Massie, but the reason, you know, Thomas Massie has been criticizing this, because he's saying that there's going to be a lot more money printing. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of money printing, and Niels actually sums it up pretty nicely right here, and he says DXY has entered a freefall mode. It's down 11% in 2025, which is its worst performance in 40 years, and the US government is planning to devalue it even more by raising the debt limit by $5 trillion. So what's the solution? Buy and hold hard assets like Bitcoin as they're about to go parabolic. So guys, that's interesting. So remember, still lots of conflict and money printing happening potentially in the USA, and watch out for that. So that is some pretty good alpha to have on the radar as we go into the rest of 2025. So I'm not going to be surprised if a lot of money comes into crypto, because the people love crypto, people love Bitcoin, people love Pepe, and where there is people, where there is belief behind something, that's where you're going to find a lot of value, guys. So it's not always about the tech, it's about the people. And things are looking bullish. So guys, that is a very exciting update for Pepe right now. If you guys enjoy it, like the video. If you guys want to get some nice bonuses, go check out our channel partners right here. We've got some nice ones with WEEX, very nice, and very nice ones with Bitefy as well. Two great crypto exchanges I'm trading on right now, making some good gains. And we'll be checking out lots of exciting, fresh, low cap, high reward, high risk cryptos coming up on the channel as well. But guys, that is a very, very exciting update. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Have a good start to the week. See you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.